Final session, we will demonstrate a VQE Hybrid Optimization routine. We will utilize this algorithm to solve a TSP instance on our HPC cluster. We start with our standard SSH configuration to connect to the HPC head node. In this optimization example, we import both the hybrid and quantum execution wrappers, along with key skills optimization applications and Network X modules. A connection test would verify that the hybrid execution wrapper is successfully initialized in native SSH mode and is communicating with the remote server. For our example, we formulated our TSP by generating a random graph, converting it into a quadratic program, and subsequently mapping it into an Ising-Hamiltonian. We then created a parameterized real amplitude quantum circuit corresponding to our problem, which consists of 9 qubits, a depth of 16, and 60 total gates. You can see all the aforementioned by running this specific cell. We are now ready to submit our hybrid quantum classical workload. To do so, we call the execute method of the hybrid wrapper. We pass the parameterized circuit and the problem Hamiltonian, and we are selecting Copila as our optimizer to run for 5 iterations. As we can see, the HPC cluster efficiently processes the VQE loop and returns the status as completed. The payload provides the optimized parameter point and optimal value discovered during the training process. To evaluate our solution, we extract these optimal parameters and assign them back into our local quantum circuit, adding measurement operations to all qubits. We then submit this fully optimized circuit back to the HPC cluster, this time utilizing the quantum execution wrapper, requesting 1024 measurement shots using the sample execution type. The workload completes successfully. So with our measurement state retrieve, we just have to run a cell. And then we sort the data to identify the most frequent occurrences and plot the top 10 states in a histogram to visualize the distribution. So, as shown, the most probable optimal state measured is the one here. By passing the SSO to our TSP instance interpreter, we decode the quantum bit stream back into the optimal routing sequence for the traveling salesman problem. So with this, we conclude our demonstration of the hybrid optimization routines, and we wrap up the session series of showcasing the capabilities of the HPC QC interface.